Good morning, children. We will study about partnership forms. What are the demerits of partnership forms we have learned? Yesterday we started to study about partnership forms. Now we have to learn what are the demerits of partnership forms. Major or important demerits of partnership firms we have learned. Major demerits. What is the meaning of partnership firms? I have told you. So many shareholders are joining together. So many shareholders are joining together and they are forming one business unit. So many shareholders are joining together and they are forming one business unit. That is known as partnership firms. That is the meaning of partnership firms. Then, what are the demerits of partnership firms that we are learning? Demerits. First one is disunity. What is the meaning of this one? I will tell you. The partnership firms comprised of so many people. Partnership firms. Partnership firms really comprised of so many people. Then, in the partnership firms, disunity will be there among the people. Disunity will be there among the people. Disunity will be there among the people in the case of partnership firms. One partner may disagree with another partner. One partner. He may disagree with another partner. It may lead to the destruction of partnership firms. Then, problem of capital will be there. Problem of capital will be there. What is meant by capital? That we have to. The problem of capital surely will be there. Capital. What is that? Partnership firms are formed by people those who are having enough money to them. Partnership firms are formed by so many people who are having enough money with them. But sometimes there may be another problem also. Sometimes there may have, or sometimes there may be another problem also. Problem of capital will be there sometimes. Problem of capital will be there sometimes. Sometimes there may be the shortage of money, or sometimes there may be the shortage of money or capital. Then, share transfer. Share transfer. What is transfer? Changing the share from one person to another person. Changing the share from one person to another person is known as share transfer. Change of share from one person to another person is very difficult in the case of partnership firms. Changing of share or change of the share capital from one person to another person is impossible in the case of partnership firms. Imagine that 5 members join together, 5 members. 5 members joined together and made one business, for example. And one person or one individual is planning to transfer the share from his hand into the hand of another person. During that time, transfer of share transfer is very difficult. Sharing of money is very difficult. Or sharing or transfer of share from one hand to another hand is very difficult. Share transfer. Then public support will not be there. In the case of which one? In the case of partnership firms, public will not support the partnership firms because partnership firms are made by a group of people who are having enough money with them. So society will not support them. But what is that? In the case of sole trading concerns, sole trading concern means the business concern. Sole trading concern means the business concern that is started by one person only. That is known as sole trading concern. In the case of sole trading concern, what is that? In the case of sole trading concern, what is it? In the case of sole trading concern, public support is there because sole trading concerns are started by one person or single individual. Sole trading concerns are really started by one person or single individual. So what is that? Society may have a sympathy or support of the society will be there. Support of the society will be there. So public support will not be there in the case of partnership firms. Secret. What is the meaning of this word secret? In the case of sole trading concerns, secrecy cannot be maintained. Secrecy or secret cannot be maintained in the case of sole trading concerns. Secrecy can be maintained in the case of sole trading concerns. Secrecy. But in the case of partnership firms, secrecy or secret cannot be maintained because in partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, so many people are there, not one or two. So many people are contributing their money. So many people are contributing their money for starting one partnership firm. So many people are contributing their money for starting one partnership firm. So here what is that? So many people are sitting together and they are taking decisions. So what is that? No secrecy can be maintained. No secrecy can be maintained in the case of partnership firms. Then, correct decisions. What is that? Correct decisions are not possible in the case of partnership firms. Correct decisions. Correct decisions cannot be taken in the case of partnership firms because different people may have different opinions. One person may agree with another person. One person or one individual may agree with another person. Different opinions may be there. So, correct decisions cannot be taken in the case of partnership firms. In the case of partnership firms, correct decisions cannot be taken. Once more I will tell what is that. What are the demerits of partnership firms? Yesterday we studied the merits. Yesterday we clearly studied regarding the merits of partnership firms. Merits of partnership firms we clearly studied. Now we have to know. Now we have to study what are the demerits of partnership firms. What are the disadvantages of partnership firms? What are the demerits of? What are the demerits of? What are the disadvantages of partnership firms we have today? What are the demerits or what are the disadvantages of partnership firms? First one. Partnership firms are made by a group of people. What firms? Partnership firms are made by a group of people. Partnership firms. It is made by a group of people. They are contributing their money in order to start one partnership firms. Sometimes because of differences of opinion, sometimes because of differences of opinion, disunity may be there among the people. Sometimes because of differences of opinion, disunity may be there among the people. Disunity. There may be the presence of disunity among the people, or disunity is quite common. Disunity is quite common in the case of partnership firms. In the case of partnership firms, disunity is quite common. Disunity among the members of the business firm, or disunity among the shareholders. Disunity among the shareholders are quite common nowadays. So, it may destroy disunity among the shareholders. Disunity among the shareholders are quite common nowadays. Capital. Another problem is that there may be the shortage of capital. Yesterday we studied that sole trading concerns are there. Sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns are those concerns. Sole trading concerns are those concerns which are started by one person only. They are known as sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns are started by one person only. There he can find out the real source of money. He can make or he can find out the real source of money only. He can make or he can find out the real source of income in the case of sole trading concerns. But in the case of which one? In the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, there may be the shortage of capital. One shareholder may think that why should I give? One shareholder may think that why should I give or why should I contribute money to the firm? Every member may think that it is a combined duty of all the people to contribute money. So, there may be a shortage of money or capital in the case of partnership firms. Share transfer. So many people are sharing. So many people are sharing their money to start partnership firms. Then what is a transfer of share? Transfer of share from one person to another person is difficult. Transfer of share from one person, one individual to another individual is difficult in the case of, is very difficult in the case of which one? In the case of partnership firms. Imagine that 5 members started on business. 5 members. One member contributed 1 crore rupees. 5 members collected 5 crore rupees. 5 members collected 5 crore rupees. Then what is that? Then one member is planning to transfer his share. One member is planning to transfer his share from his hand to another hand. In such a situation, transfer of share is very difficult. Public support is very difficult. Public support is really difficult in the case of partnership firms. In the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? In the case of sole trading concerns, the business will be started by one person only. In the case of sole trading concerns, the business will be started by only one person. Only one person is starting the business there. In the case of sole trading concerns, there people will show their support or people will show their mercy upon the businessman. But in the case of which one? But in the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, such a type of symbol will not be available to the members. So, in partnership firms, people will not get any type of symbol. Secret. In the case of partnership firms, secret cannot be maintained. Secret. Because so many people are sitting together. So many people are sitting together and they are discussing about their problems. So many people are sitting together and they are discussing about their problems. So, Secrecy or secret cannot be maintained in the case of partnership firms. Decisions. In the case of which one? In the case of partnership firms, when we are studying about partnership firms, it is very difficult to take decisions. Decisions cannot be taken easily. One person may have one opinion, another person may have another opinion. So, decisions cannot be taken easily in the case of which one? Partnership firms. One person or one individual may not agree with another individual. So, disunity and different decisions and different opinions are there in the land of India. Different opinions are there. When there are different opinions, decisions cannot be taken. When there are different opinions, decisions cannot be taken clearly. These are the disadvantages or demerits of partnership firms. Hindu undivided family business. Hindu undivided family business is there. Hindu undivided family business is there. What is the meaning of this one? We have to learn. Hindu undivided family business. This is another type of business that is going on in the land of India. Hindu undivided family business. This business is going according to Hindu laws. This business is going according to Hindu laws. Hindu laws are there in the land of India. Hindu undivided family business. Hindu undivided family business is going according to Hindu laws. It is going according to Hindu laws. It is going according to Hindu laws. That means there is the presence of a joint family. There will be the presence of a joint family. A joint family can start business. A joint family can start their own business. Then what will be the? And the head of the family is known as Karta. The head of the family is known as Karta. Family head or head of the family has been known by the name Karta. The Karta will decide everything. And common opinions are accepted. common opinions are accepted. All the members of the joint family, all the members of the joint family can tell their opinions. All the members of the joint family can tell their opinions. They can have or they can tell their opinions. They can tell their opinions. They have common opinions, but final decision on organizer of the Hindu undivided family will be known as Karta. He will be the senior most male member. He will be the senior most male member in the family. He will be the senior most male member in the family. Male member. Female members are not allowed to be the head of the family. Karta always will be a male member. Karta. There is no doubt that Karta always will be a male member. And in the land of Kerala, Nayar people are there. Nayar. That is the name of a type of caste in the land of Kerala. Nayar. Among the Nayar people of Kerala, among the Nayar people of Kerala, Hindu undivided family business is there now also. Among the Nayar people of Kerala, among the Nayar people of Kerala, Hindu undivided family business is there now also. But this is very rare in the land of India nowadays. This has been reduced from. This is very rare nowadays in the land of India. It is very, very rare nowadays in the land of India. But in some parts of India, what is that? Even in some parts of India, Hindu undivided family business is there. In some parts of India, Hindu, in some areas or in some parts of India, Hindu undivided family business is there, or Hindu undivided family business can be seen. Once more I will tell. See, Hindu undivided family business. Hindu undivided family business. Hindu undivided family business is there in different parts of India. Different type of business we have seen. Different types of business we have seen. And we studied about salt trading concerns. We studied. Again we studied about which one? We studied about salt trading concerns. We studied about partnership firms, etc. Another type of business is known as Hindu undivided family business. Hindu undivided family business is there. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. Hindu undivided family business. Hindu undivided family business is going on according to Hindu laws. It is moving on. It is going on according to Hindu laws. What is that? That we have to think. Hindu laws are prevalent among the Hindus of India. Hindu laws are prevalent among the Hindus of India. There may be the presence of joint family. Joint families will be there. Joint family means grandfather, grandmother, their children and grandchildren are living in one The head of the family will be known as Karta. Karta will conduct the business of the family. Karta will be the senior most main member of the family. He will be the senior most main member of the family. Other members also may have their own opinions. All the members may have or will have their opinions. Other members will have or other members may have their opinions. But the final decision will be from the hands of Karta. All the members of the family will have their opinions, but final decision or ultimate decision will be from the hands of Karta. This type of business, Hindu undivided family business, is there in the Nair community of Kerala. Nair people are there in the land of Kerala. Nair people. Then what is that? Among the Nair community of Kerala, among the Nair community of Kerala, what is that? Hindu undivided family business is there. But nowadays, only in some situations or in some rare situations only, this type of things are there. Only under some rare situations only, Hindu undivided family business is there. But in some situations, we can see this one. Thank you, children.